In this problem, I'll start by finding the value of r, and then I'll find the value of theta. So to find the value of r, what I'm going to do is use the fact that x squared plus y squared equals r squared, and I have r squared equals 2 squared, that's your x value, and your y value is 2 times the square root of 3, that gets squared. So 2 squared is 4, square it again, you get 4, square root of 3 squared gets you 3, and then we multiply and add to get 16. So therefore r itself must be 4. Now we have the value of r, now we need the value of theta. I know that the tangent of theta equals y over x, so I can write tangent theta equals 2 times the square root of 3 over 2. Now make sure that if you have any negative signs in your point that you bring them over here, because that's going to be critical to this problem. Didn't really matter for r whether these were positive or negative, but for the angle it does make a big difference. So since I know that both x and y are positive values, I know that my answer should end up in the first quadrant. So tangent of theta equals 2 square root of 3 over 2 simplifies to the tangent of theta equals the square root of 3. So what I'll do is give this a quick graph, and tangent equals y over x, as we were just using. So the y value would be the one that goes up to square root of 3, and the x value would be the one that goes to 1. So my angle in the first quadrant is going to be like this, and that is a pi over 3 angle. So that's the angle we're talking about, and because my ultimate answer is supposed to be in quadrant 1, that tells me for the whole problem theta equals pi over 3. I don't have to worry about moving it from one quadrant to another. So this works out, and so my answer is 4 comma pi over 3. And that's the end.